But stress out. Some of them gal I need for swap. You don't know it's your girl D. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a get ready with me video. That's what I was planning to do today, but unfortunately my suit is not here yet, and I already went ahead and did my face, so bam, that's not gonna work. That's like not finna work. What I'm gonna do though, I'm finna substitute the get ready. Well, I'm gonna still do it, but it's just not gonna be so informative like other people's. So stay with me. So basically, I did my makeup. I have videos when I was doing my makeup, so I can probably mute those out and add them in. I'll try to do that. Also, I have screenshots of some of the comments that you guys are leaving on my YouTube platform, on the comment sections. And I really appreciate it. These comments mean so much to me. I may not respond to every single one of them, but I'm seeing them. And I've screenshot like 3 or 4 just now. So I think I'm gonna work with like 3 or 4 per video. So the persons with the best comments will win. Okay, so the best comments, yeah, I'm gonna call it. We're gonna call it best comments, right? Yeah, best comments. So we're always gonna have a part in the video. We're gonna post the persons with the best comments. So I'll be posting everything, the person's name, whatever, so you all can feel free to give them a subscribe or whatever it is. So if you want your page to be highlighted, then please remember to leave the best comments, period. So yeah, I went ahead and I did 3 colors, well 4 actually. I did dark brown with a little bit of red, a little bit of green, a little bit of yellow, and a dash of blue. I put on my lashes, I aligned my liner, I have a red under there too. I combed my lashes, and I just have a little lip gloss on and some foundation and stuff. I'm however gonna go bathe next, and then when I'm through bathing, okay, I'm probably gonna let y'all hear me in the shower for a little bit and how ridiculous I sound when I'm bathing and all that crap. Yeah, so I'll be doing that next. I'll be going to the shower. So normally when I wake up and I'm going somewhere, I try to wake up early. When I wake up early, I try to do my makeup. That's the first thing that I do. So I always go to the kitchen. I made breakfast this morning, so I went to the kitchen. I did make breakfast. After I made breakfast, I brushed my teeth, and then I came to do my makeup. I finished doing my makeup. I did a few TikTok videos. Yeah, I did a few TikTok videos. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I did a few TikTok videos. After I did the TikTok videos, I've been sitting right here because I literally just finished doing TikTok videos. So yeah, I'm sitting down now talking to you guys, and then we're gonna go to the kitchen. Yeah, we're all gonna go to the kitchen. So we're heading to the kitchen right now because as I said, I made breakfast, but I was not able to wash out back the stuff that I've used to make my breakfast. So I'm gonna do that now with you guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys while I do that. And oh, I'm trying to find a way how to set the phone because I don't want it to like show you guys my bottom part because I have no clothes on, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna do the dishes now because it's a get ready with me video. So I'm literally gonna show you guys everything that I do in the morning. So I'm a Scotch Brite, yes, and I put the soap on the outside of it like that. I don't use a lot. See, it's not a lot. And then I go like this with a little water and I rub it in. I'm gonna show you guys the magic of this. And I rub it in, I rub it in, and then it's gonna be so soapy. You see, it's gonna be so soapy. So for persons that have problems, because when I was younger, I never used to wash plate like this. When I was really young, I used to like throw the soap on the green part of the scrubbing part of the sponge, and honestly, that part does not make you get a lot of soap. So you have to use more than enough soap to wash the dishes when you could have only used like a little bit, and it does go a long way. So far I've washed like 2 dishes, and I'm washing a cup now. So I'm showing you guys how far this can still go. See, it's still all soapy. You don't have to use any more water. You just have to make sure that it's clean. That's the reason why before I always wash my dishes, I always prep them. So I make sure that upon washing the dishes, I prep them. So I make sure that there's no food. I rinse them out thoroughly before I actually start washing. So yeah guys, I am washing the dishes. And as you guys can see, I'm not going to be pausing the video. It's going to be just one long video. Yeah. So I hope you guys are okay. Oh, what I'm doing today, I'm actually going to a video shoot. So yeah, oh, I'm gonna get my outfit here. I'm still waiting on it to reach to me. I had ordered it, but it got delayed. So I literally like have to be sitting down now and waiting on it to get to me. But I'm gonna go take a bath just now too and stuff. So yeah guys, I am now about to rinse my dishes, because as I told you guys, I made breakfast and I'm home alone. My kids are not here, so there's nothing much to wash. It's just me. There's nothing to wash. Just me. Give me a reason. No, I can't explain it. I'm into you and every little thing you do. Never felt this way about no dude. Believe me when I say that I'm feeling you. It's so hard to find someone who's true and kind. Kind in every way like you do my body. Yeah, so I am rinsing the dishes, and then I'm finna go to the bathroom underneath the shower, take a quick bath guys, because as I say, I live alone, maybe it's night time day, I'm not, yeah, so I don't need to take no power shower. Yeah, I just need to take a nice simple little bathe fast bath and thing. Okay, so I'm wiping down my kitchen counter right now. I'm gonna wash out the drain. Make sure that there's no excessive soap, food, nothing, and it's clean. Yeah. Okay, the stove. And I'm ready to wipe off the stove too. This is a good thing, guys. You can't leave food on the stove because even though you try to keep your place clean from rats and stuff, they tend to harbor where food is. So yeah. Alright, so I'm done with that now. Finish with that now. I did spread my bed earlier on. What did I go do? Oh yeah, I'm finna go take a shower. So let me look for some undies. Let me look for some underwears. Get the towel. And we're heading to the bathroom. So yeah, I bought this towel in Dominica. When I was in Dominica the other day, I bought this. It was a souvenir towel because it says, "Welcome to Dominica." Yeah, the towel says, "Welcome to Dominica." Yeah, my baby. So I did promise you guys that I would not end the video, but I will be going in the shower right now, and I don't think it's a good idea to bring my phone in there, even though my phone is like waterproof or whatever. But I'm not gonna test that theory, not today. I'm not gonna bring my phone in there. I don't care what nobody got to say. I'm not gonna bring my phone in there, period. But I'm however gonna brush my teeth again, so I can do that while you guys are watching. It doesn't really matter. As I was saying before though, like, yeah, my towel is from Dominica. Yeah, it was a souvenir for me. It bought its own. Yeah, so yeah, brush my teeth now. Oh, my hair, who like it? My hair is nice. I don't have any bottom on because I wonder now. I need to put on too much clothes. Brush some teeth. Quick and clean. You gotta be like, boo! Oh my god, I ruined my makeup. I do not want to be that guy right now. You did not ruin my makeup. I ruined my makeup. And this is the reason why a lot of persons would bathe first before doing the makeup, but not me. I like looking pretty. And whatever chance that I get to do my makeup, me do my makeup first because me can sit down and done better than them call me and cancer. I'm not going to have the heart or the strength to do my makeup. But when I do my makeup first, even if them cancel, when them cancel, my face don't look good. So nothing to me. Camera don't look good already. Anyways, yeah guys, so I'm going to jump in the shower and then I'm going to come right back talking to all y'all. Bam. Hey guys, so I've incorporated some videos of when I was on the road in the video because it was so much I didn't even have time to finish the vlog. So I've incorporated videos of what I looked like in the video, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. What me did do after I finish bed, me did eat some food because me did cook, so me did eat some food, and then I waited on my cousin to come get me to go to his video shoot. Went to the video shoot, just get back home not too long. I'm about to clean my face off. I tie up my hair because when I don't know it going and I have on braids. So I tie up my hair like that. And yeah, I'm about to go do something. Don't know what to do yet. So guys, I wanted to give you guys a whole day vlog with me, but I couldn't do it. So I'm gonna be putting videos of how I looked when I was on the road, also a few clippings of the where I was, because cars were stunting, bikes were stunting. Only past stunting did I go on. So I'm gonna incorporate 1 and 2 and 3 of them video there. I'm hoping to watch and enjoy it. Remember, watch it to the end. Thank you guys so far for subscribing to my channel. But wanna subscribe, please watch the video them. When you can't subscribe and now watch the video them, and remember to turn on the notification bell so wanna get every single notification, every video we come in, wanna get them first. Please and thank you. I love you guys so much. Have a blessed Sunday. Mwah.